Hi everybody, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to fix Telegram flood read error. So in order to fix the Telegram flood read error indicates that you have exceeded the read limit imposed by Telegram's API. Meaning you're making too many requests in a short period. This is a security measure to prevent spam and abuse as well. So now all you need to do is, in order to bypass this error or to fix it, so you want to follow these steps. That is, you have to respect the waiting period. That is, the error message typically include flood read x, a value where x is a number, and so basically, the error message indicates or includes a flood read about the time, and the time, according to the time range, you have to wait unless and until the time is lifted. You will not be able to recover or fix your issue as well. Next, if you are developing an application or using automations, implement delays or more human-like pacing between your requests to avoid triggering the read limit as well. And apart from it, if you're logged into Telegram on multiple devices or other various clients, and some of them are making frequent requests, you could consider logging out from those not currently in use to reduce the overall request volume associated with your account. So these are things you could do, and apart from it, you also want to make sure to exit out, locate Telegram on your device, long press the app and go to app info section, and here you want to come to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache, and next you want to exit out of this page and make sure to update the app to the latest version, as well as restart the device, and that can also be able to help. So these are things you could consider. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.